Hey friends, this is RC back again, and today through this video I am sure you will be surprised to know about the temples of Indonesia. This country has respect for all religions, all cultures and people. I have compiled few of my visits videos and let's watch the videos together.
The national motto of Indonesia is Bhinneka Tunggal Ika, which means unity in diversity and respect for all cultures and religions. Being the largest Muslim country with a population of 275 million, less than 2% of people are Hindu, out of which 90% live in the island called Bali. Bali is also called the Island of Gods, as there are 20,000 Hindu temples alone in Bali. Other than that, all main islands have many Hindu, Sikh, and Buddhist temples. Temples are called Chandi or Pura here. Hindus of Bali worship Lord Ganesh, Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, and Ram Sita, to whom they call Rama Shinta. Some temples are even more than 1000 years old, and they have stone statues and shivlings from olden times. People pray and keep those as their valuable heritage. To pray in the temples here, one must follow the dress code, which is a sarung or kabaya. No shorts, half sleeves, and half pants, please. If you are wearing a shorts and you want to go inside, most temples allow you to borrow a sarung on returnable basis to go inside and pray. In many Balinese temples, they have holy spring water which they feel is sacred and take a dip. In Bali, you will find a small temple outside every house and road. Offering is an important part of Balinese culture. People offer food and flowers to road god, animal god, and they believe God is everywhere to protect them. There are 3 Sikh temples in Jakarta. This is one of them. Many people visit gurdwaras where they can pray, listen to Gurbani, eat Kara Prasad and Langar, which is offered to everyone after the prayers. According to Buddhism, the goal of life is to get enlightenment and to be in the higher state of consciousness. There are hundreds of viharas in Indonesia and many Buddhist temples. The largest Buddhist temple, Borobudur, is also in Indonesia, which was built in the 9th century. It is a UNESCO heritage site with 72 stupas and 504 Buddhist statues. Almost 2.5 million people visit Borobudur every year. This is ISKCON Radha Krishna Temple.